Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 19, Letters and Applications from the book English Grammar 4. A letter or application is a written message or document sent from one person to another and sent with his/her resume to provide additional information on your skills and experience. तो जो लेटर या एप्लीकेशन होता है वो एक मैसेज होता है या डॉक्यूमेंट सेंड करते हैं हम एक पर्सन से किसी दूसरे पर्सन को ओके और ये जो लेटर होता है या एप्लीकेशन होता है इसके साथ हम रिज्यूमे भी सेंड करते हैं ताकि हम एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन दे सके अपने स्किल्स और एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में ओके Then we have letters, invitation to a party. 6 Tilak Nagar, New Delhi. Now, in the beginning of the letter, we always begin with the sending address. Okay. The person who is writing the letter writes their address here, which is called the sending address. Okay. Now, 20 July 20 dash. So here we can write 25. In the next line after sending address, you need to write the date on which you are writing the letter. Because this book is printed, that's why they have given this date. You can write the date on which you are writing the letter. Okay. Then my dear Mahi. Then you need to write the salutation. Okay. So my dear Mahi. You can write any other name whom you writing the letter. Okay. My brother has passed the post-graduation examination. I am having a party of a few friends on Sunday evening at my house. Mother wishes you to come and spend the evening with us. I hope that you will be able to come. Then this part of the letter is called body of the letter. In which you will write the message कि आपको क्या बोलना क्या आप कम्युनिकेट क्या करना चाहते हो यहाँ पर जैसे लिखा है कि मेरे ब्रदर ने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एग्जाम्स को पास कर लिया है तो इसलिए मैं अपने घर पर संडे को एक पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही हूँ मेरी मदर की इच्छा थी कि आप भी मेरे मतलब इस पार्टी में आओ तो मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप आओगे दैट्स हाउ वी एंड दिस body of the letter. Okay, so in this part you can write anything whatever you need to convey. Okay, the information basically, the message. Okay, and in the end yours Ritu. You can here write yours friend as well, your sister, yours brother, whatever you are in relation with some person whom you writing the letter. Here is not written but you can write. Okay, then your name. Okay, then we have reply of acceptance. In the previous one, we have seen invitation to a party. Now, this one is reply of acceptance. Okay, 17 Subhash Nagar, New Delhi. Again, this letter also started with the sending address part. Then we have written the date. Then, my dear Ritu. This is the salutation part. Okay, because you are writing, you are replying to Ritu only, right? Then thank you very much for your warm invitation. I will be glad to come to your party at your house on Sunday evening. Yours sincerely, Mahi. So, यहाँ पर आपने स्टार्टिंग में थैंक यू सो मच कहा कि इनविटेशन के लिए थैंक यू ऑल्सो कि मैं आ पाऊंगी आप अपने जाने का बता रहे हो कि आप आ पाओगे अगर आप नहीं आ पाते तो भी आप लिखते आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू कम बिकॉज सो एंड सो रीजन ओके देन you have ended with yours sincerely. You can also write yours truly. Okay, then your name. Then here your address, house number 6, Tilak Nagar, New Delhi. Means this is the sending address. We are sending the letter there. Okay. Then we have applications and application for leave. Okay. To the principal. Now, here we have given the salutation to whom we are writing the letter. Okay, then Mother Teresa Public School. Now we have mentioned the name of the school, Kolkata. Means this is the address we are sending to. Okay. Then we have subject, leave of absence from school on 15 April 20-2-. Now there is a subject part. You need to write the subject here also. आप लीव मांग रहे हो अपनी एब्सेंस के लिए 15 अप्रैल 2025 टू 20 अप्रैल 2025 के लिए. So you need to mention the subject on whatever you are writing the letter. Okay. Then again salutation, sir. Wish to inform you that I have an urgent work at home. Therefore, I will not be able to attend school today. I would be thankful if you could please grant me leave for one day only. Thanking you in anticipation of your understanding and support. Yours sincerely, XYZ, class 4A. Now, in the body part of the letter, you need to start wish to inform you. फिर अपने बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे कि I am from this and this class and I am regular student. You can write this. फिर रीजन लिखते हैं I have urgent work at home, इसलिए मैं आज अटेंड नहीं कर पाऊंगा. कितने दिन के लिए नहीं अटेंड कर पाओगे वो मेंशन करना होता है. ओके. और फिर एंड में thanking you in anticipation of your understanding. This kind of line or sentence we need to add. Then here we need to add yours sincerely, then your name. They have not given any name, that's why there is XYZ and the class in which you study. This is how you write an application. Okay. Then we have writing skill, time to do, write letters and applications on following topics. You need to write on these topics. First, write an application to your principal requesting him to grant leave on account of your sister's marriage ceremony. Now, आपको यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन लिखना है प्रिंसिपल को रिक्वेस्ट करते हुए कि आपको लीव चाहिए क्योंकि आपकी सिस्टर की मैरिज सेरेमनी है. सो यू नीड टू राइट इट बाय योरसेल्फ. Okay, you can begin with to the principal, then the name of the school, then you have to mention the subject, then you can write sir or madam. Okay, then you need to start the body of the letter, then you can include yours sincerely, the name of yours and your class. Okay, that's how you need to write this application. Okay, then second, write an application to your principal requesting him to grant sick leave. In the second question, you need to write a sick leave to the principal. Again, you need to start the letter with to the principal, then your school name, address, then the subject part, then you have to write the sir or madam means salutation, then you have to write the body of the letter. Okay, then after that, you need to write yours sincerely, yours truly, then your name and your class. Okay. Then we have question 3. Write a letter to your friend wishing him/her happy birthday. Now in this letter, you need to start with sending address, means you need to write your address. Then you need to write the date. Then you need to write my dear, the name of the friend you are writing the letter. Then you need to include the body of the letter. You can ask, how are you? I hope you are doing good. I remember that yours birthday is on that date, and further you can write by yourself. Okay, this is how you need to write this letter. Then we have question 4. Write a letter to your father requesting him to buy you a new phone. देन आपको एक लेटर लिखना है अपने फादर को रिक्वेस्ट करते हुए कि आपको एक नया फोन वो बाय कर दे. ओके, सो यू नीड टू राइट दीज 4 लेटर्स एंड एप्लीकेशन बाय योरसेल्फ. ओके, So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.